So me and Abel is at Walmart. Look, that's just the traffic going in. It's not meaning it's everybody in the aunties. Yeah, I'm gonna be going to make some bread and cookies. I know so I'm gonna get some ingredients. Some bread. Wait. She's being a good girl. Sit down, sister. I'm flying. She's still doing good. It wasn't too bad. The line went fast at the checkout, the self-checkout. It went fast. So I'm back from Walmart. Yeah, it was like it wasn't too bad. Crowded, but it wasn't too bad. I didn't even have to stand in line that long. It was really fast. So I just bought everything, great value. And except I bought these chocolate chips. I'm gonna make peanut butter cookies with chocolate chip. And I'm gonna make some bread. So everything was like $61. And then I bought a gift for my mom. So we're not gonna show that. Okay, so that's what we have going on. And Nabel was a good girl. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go cook my breakfast before I start. So I just made some eggs and some Portuguese sausage with toast. That's what I'm gonna be eating. That is my brunch. So I'm just gonna make the bread first and then cookies, because the bread has to, sit there. Okay. We got that going on, and I got my bread sitting there. I just finished. So we're gonna come back to that in an hour or so. Can you see this cookbook? This is Keanu's one from a long time ago. It's a cute book. So I'm gonna make chocolate chip and peanut butter cookies. I just feel like in a baking mood. I don't know. But let's find it. I think it's a mess already, but I'm gonna clean it up. That's cute. Okay, there it is. Chocolate chip cookies. You don't really need too much stuff. Hi, Novia. Sister. So I got my little cookie dough mixture, and I don't know, I just was gonna try this Lily's milk chocolate style baking chips, chocolate with 35% cacao, no artificial sugar, made with stevia. Oh, I didn't know that, but okay, whatever. Let's give it a taste first. I know I look all crazy. It's okay, I'm baking. It's all right. I was doing a hustle today. I did a lot of things, got a lot of things done. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna stir in some of this. Tastes pretty tasty, wait. I wanna put some inside my peanut butter cookies too, that's why. Okay, I think that's good. Okay. This is not a good one.
I know. I think I found something. Come on.
Where is my thingy? I know it's a mess here, but that's okay because I will fix it. I don't know, first time I ever feel like baking cookies. But here I am, Miss Betty Crocker. Betty Crocker. Nah, just joking. Stand by. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use this. I forgot what this is for something, but it does great. And I'm gonna make like not big cookies. These little cookies are better. I think we need more chocolate chip. Sorry, the TV is pretty loud. I don't even know what it is. I'm watching. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, so that was kind of loud. And it's already halfway done and then I didn't even watch it. The hell? Okay, so let's just get this in the oven. So these are gonna be in the oven for 11 to 15 minutes. Okay. Look at that cookie dough. Let me just taste it. It's pretty tasty. This is Keanu's book. And then I just showed it to him. He was like, oh, that's where my book is. He had this since he was a little kid. And then he always bakes Christmas cookies from this book. But it's my turn. No. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this on the cookie sheet and we're gonna be making the cookie. I like it. It tastes good. Alrighty, so don't mind I look like crazy because I've been running around all day and you know, okay? But anywho, I got this last year and I'm only using it now. Yep. I was planning on doing this last year but didn't. But I'm doing it now. Okay. So anyways, let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna grease it with butter. The butter. With butter. Okay. So I greased it. And then I wanna put like I wanna say a tablespoon. That should be good.
Sorry, I didn't want to disturb you, but I'm heading out and I wanted to wish you.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Oh, Merry Christmas to you too, Mindy. I'm sorry I was so, I know, crazy day. Yeah. Before I go, one question?
I
Sure.
wonder if that's big.
What's with the 3 on your hand?
Okay. But the batter tastes is really good. It tastes is really good, the batter. Yep. Some of them look bigger than the other. We'll see. I don't like the hard cookies. I like them kind of like soft or maybe chewy kind of, but not hard. You know. And then we're still letting the bread rise. So. I didn't learn to do sourdough yet. I gotta learn how to understand what the sourdough does, like how it grows and stuff. I didn't try to read about it yet. So I tried to do a starter, but I didn't understand, so I have to find out about it before I start it. Okay. So we got the cookie. Oh my god, okay, we got that. Everything just broke on the floor there. I'll be back, gang. So I did break the butter dish. I look crazy, but I don't care. This is me. This is what you get. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I broke the butter dish. And this is the second one going in. So I'm not too sure how much cookies it's making. Hope you all are having a fantastic Christmas Eve. Usually before, when I was little, that's the day our family would get together, is Christmas Eve. And at midnight we would open our presents. And then now it's different because everybody's older. We just do Christmas lunch or dinner. So most of the time it's just me and Navea. Yeah, I don't really go anywhere. But I should start to go and explore out there, you know, in the road, because I've been like just kind of staying indoors, and I feel like that's not healthy either, to just come in and just like, it's not that healthy to stay home all the time, you know. So yeah, I probably will start to explore more on 2026. Let me shut you guys down. And that's how the other one is looking. Kind of flat. This is my bread. I'm just gonna do a second rise and then pop it in the oven. First time I'm making it in this year, so we're gonna try it. I'm gonna I got my first loaf going. Oh, it's rising. I just put flax seeds on this one, and we're gonna let it rise for an hour. It's been what, 10 minutes? Okay, and then I'm gonna get my second one. I'm gonna do my second one, and then I'm gonna take a shower because I look like craziness. I'm gonna let this one rise, and then yeah, let's go look. This is my chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna make peanut butter cookies too. Okay, yeah, it came out okay. So this one looks like half moon. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I just put the butter on there. I don't know. Look at that. My bread came out okay, but I burnt the top. Okay, don't even judge me, because I was doing something and it burnt, look, the top. I just cut it off, and then it's the loaf, but it came out good actually, minus the top. It tastes good. That's the flax seed. No more flax seed on it now. But look at that. Came out really good. But I do have the other one. I'm not gonna try and do that anymore because it was really close to the top. This was really close to the top. So alrighty, gang, this is my second loaf. Looks pretty good. It just came out of the oven. Ah, yeah. Alrighty guys, so I will end the other video from last night, and I just wanted to do an outro. But yeah, that was my last. The loaf was, I made it this morning, Christmas Day. It came out really nice, but I just wanted to finish off this video because I don't want it to be too long and then you guys be like get bored of it. So I'm gonna make another one this morning for Christmas Day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. God bless.